Hey guys, this is your boy Prince. Welcome to my channel. If it is your first time here, just kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share with friends and family. So guys, today we have a special guest here. So I'm not gonna say much about him. He's gonna introduce himself. Yeah, this is who? Who be this?
Yo, it's your Master's vlog, guys. Like, share and subscribe to my brother Prince Seka.
Yeah.
And guys, if this is your first time in his channel, please subscribe and follow me. Follow my YouTube channel, guys. We are all YouTubers here in the Gambia. So I'm by the name Augustus Vlog, guys. Check me out on YouTube.
Yeah.
Please like, share and subscribe, guys. Seka is my brother from day one, guys. We rock this together, guys.
For real,
so,
for real.
I
think since high school.
Yeah, since high school, guys.
Yeah.
We did the same school, guys. Same master,
Yeah,
guys. Even though the school down below, guys.
Guys, so he's my G and he's a YouTuber too, so we attended the same high school. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you around Senegambia. Yeah, the OIC road project here. Please show him some love. Road to 2K, 2,000 subscribers. If you are from Prince Seka, please kindly go to his channel and subscribe. So so this is the view here. You see, guys, so guys, I'll be showing you this area, Senegambia, from this roundabout.
That's the roundabout, right?
Yeah, that's the roundabout over there. So guys, as you can see, this is what I'm getting for you here.
As you see, we're still under the construction, guys.
Yeah, that's Augustus.
All vloggers doing the same thing, guys.
So guys,
me and Prince Seka are going to travel in the same country.
oh, I'm really happy meeting you. I'm really happy.
That's love from Gambia, guys.
Yeah, we are one. We are one. Let's support each other.
We all love
each
other, guys. You know, happiness is the key to success, guys.
Yeah, for it. So guys, as you can see, this is the roundabout. Yeah, this is the Senegambia roundabout. Augustus is over there doing his things. Yeah. So guys, this is Senegambia. As you can see how the vehicles are doing here. Yeah, this will take you to the beach, and that's Augustus over there. So guys, this is the OIC road project here in Senegambia. Yeah, this is the roundabout. This is how it looks. Be careful. That's Augustus. So guys, you see, this is the OIC road. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, the vehicles are using this lane. Yeah, just take a look. They are using this lane. And let me show you what you get here. So those are restaurants and bars. Yeah, so let me show you. As you see, this is what you get on this site here. Guys, you see these iron rods? Yeah, you see these iron rods? So this is the Senegambia OIC road project, and this is the surrounding. This is how it looks. This is their stuffs. This is what they will use and put here, as you can see, and then later put the concrete on it. Yeah, as you can see, this is how it looks. And then I started the video from there. Yeah, started the video from there. And that's Augustus over there. Show him some love, road to 2K, okay? This is Senegambia OIC road project. And your boys over here, if this is your first time on this channel, just like the video and then subscribe. It really helps a lot. Yeah. So let me show you. Yes, let me show you what you get here. So this is the water tank. Yeah. And as you can see, they are working over there. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, and this is the surrounding here. See guys. So guys, as you can see, this is what is going on here, and then Augustus is entertaining them over there, as you can see. Yeah. Assalamu alaikum. Jamar. Camera, don't go. So that's the tropic. Huh? No, my living, my living. Boy, don't 50 boy, my leg. Boy, get it, boy, get it correct boy. But I'm not big boy, but I'm not 50 boy, leg, my rap boy, leg. Hey, yo, man, no Slayman, fancy and make it come at Hamon Nemo Saman. But I'm to Aji, by some Cador, make it chicken, Dimondrok, some dome. By Dakal Muno, by just yo, fancy the bug and that's my Galmuno. No, wait. Dig on to dig for man to the workman. Microphone and reg boy. Microphone smoke to work and come with some meat. Kuchinek and my jacket and dig on the much party. Ipo back. Your camera water. Instead of trouble, he's driving. You can do road construction. So guys, as you can see, sometimes it is so funny filming out. So that's the Tropic Shopping Center over there. Yeah. That's the Tropic Shopping Center, and this is how the road project is going on here. Augustus is there. What? Huh? Pass it.
Wow.
Traffic light. I'm not be with you myself. I'm gonna be with you myself. Okay. Thank you. Augustus, these people are draining me here.
Yeah, no. Nobody's nice, you know, at least they're doing a great job here in your country, and these people are from Senegal.
Yeah.
We can't pay them, but sometimes we give them something.
Yeah, for real, for real.
That's my brother Prince Seka.
Yeah.
He's enjoying YouTube money, guys.
Hey, I'm not. I'm not. So that's Augustus?
Yo.
Yeah.
Guys. So that's this Tropic Center, guys.
Yeah. So guys, as you can see, I'm having some fun here. See guys, this is what you get here. And Augustus is over there. That's tropic. So guys, this is the Senegambia OIC road project. This is how it looks right now. And Augustus is over there doing his thing. Go and show him some love. Yeah. So guys, that's village over there.
Yo, Prince Seka, that is village right there.
Yeah, that's village. Huh?
Yeah.
Tourist Sundega.
You want to be in the group? Yo, he's asking whether we are tourists, guys. That's Prince Seka right here.
Yeah, guys, I'm Prince.
This is village right here, guys.
Okay.
As you see, maybe Prince Seka, the time he was a little boy, he came here for Salibo. You come here for Salibo.
Some of them don't know about Salibo, especially you. You spill the beans for them, so that they don't understand.
Guys, you know here in Gambia, like when we have feast like Christmas or what's the other name for
Tabaski?
Tabaski, yeah. Sometimes when we have Tabaski, little kids come here to enjoy themselves, guys.
Yeah, when they get some money, they will be visiting their relatives, and when they give them some money,
they come here and enjoy the whole money, guys.
Yeah,
they come here buy drinks, buy ice creams, and enjoy themselves. My brother Prince can know more about it because
you know more about it. You know more about it.
Yo, guys. We are the YouTubers in the Gambia, guys. So please take us some love, guys. Road to 3,000 subscribers, guys.
Yeah.
I think
so that's village, guys. And this is what we get in the middle of the two lanes. These lanes, the vehicles start using it. As you can see, they start using it. Augustus, there are a lot of tourists here.
Yeah. You know it's December. December time.
They enjoying this smiling coast.
They enjoying the smiling coast. They even enjoy this country more than us.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah. Because every December the country is very busy.
The country is busy.
You have a lot of tourists.
And they have money to spend, and we don't have money. So that's why we need your support.
Guys. It's very, that is the truly speaking, guys.
Yeah.
So as you see, you need to support us, guys. We're doing this for you.
Yeah, it's just simple. Just like by liking and subscribing to the channel. Yeah, and sharing the videos.
It's very simple.
Yeah.
Just to hit the subscribe button, they are not going to charge you a dime. Yeah. It's just free, guys.
So, let me show the gutter to my audience over there. The gutter. Yeah. So, guys, that's where I started the video from. Yeah. So guys, you see, this is what you get here.
Maybe one day we go to the beach and have a vlog from there.
At the beach?
Yeah, we show them more. We are in December. A lot of tourists are here in the Gambia, so we're going to show them more. Going to have, maybe if possible, we're going to have some interview.
Yeah, we're gonna talk. We're gonna talk about it off camera. We're gonna communicate, talk about it off camera. Okay. So guys, you see,
if you want to see more collabo with my brother, please subscribe
Poco Loco.
on the beach.
So guys, that's Poco Loco. This road leads to the Poco Loco beach. Yeah. So guys, you see this is the surrounding here. Yeah. So today I'm having a collabo with one of my friend Augustus. Yeah. We're having collabo. That's why you'll be noticing some changes the way I film videos. Yeah. So yeah, guys, But be careful. I said be careful. I said be careful because the drivers here are something else. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, the vehicles are using this lane. Yeah, you see, they are using this lane, but they are not using this other lane. As you can see, there's no vehicle here. They are using the down lane over there. Let me show you what's going on there. So this is the lane they are using, the down lane, and this is how this place looks. And Augustus is over there. I don't know whether you can see him. And your boy is over here. Please like the video and then subscribe to this channel. Yeah, my boy. So guys, this is what you get here. Please guys, he's working so hard. Just show him some love. Yeah, just subscribe to his channel. Take him to 2K guys. We can do it. We can do it. So there's a construction work going on over there. Yeah, as you can see, this is what you get here. So guys, this is where they're gonna install the street lights. As you can see, they even start doing it like this, leaving a hole in there and fill this other side. Guys, see, this is what you get here, and then I started the video from there. So guys, let me show you. So guys, as you can see, this is what I'm getting for you here in Senegambia. Yeah. See guys? Oh my goodness. So guys, you see, this is what is going on here. So guys, this is Senegambia. There are a lot of tourists here. Yeah. And your boy is over here. And then if you watch this video so far, please like the video and subscribe. Support your boy. We really need your support. Yeah. I'm gonna cross the road. So guys, this is how we do it here. We're crossing the road. Try to show you what you get here. So guys, this is what we get here.
That's the white supermarket, guys.
See the buildings? That's where we started the video from. Yeah, and then what?
Now Gambia, we have a lot of tall buildings.
Yeah.
See?
There are people are really investing in our country.
Yeah.
They are really investing.
There are some apartments and some companies.
Yeah,
Guys.
for real. They are investing.
As you see, we are still on the OIC.
So Augustus, now you are comfortable vlogging in public.
Yeah. You know, by then I was very shy. When I put the camera on my face, I can't even say a word.
You'll be out of word.
Yeah.
It's like that, but it's just like that. You will get used to it.
The more time goes on.
Yeah, you are even used to it now. Cause I'm seeing you comfortably talking to the camera, and people are staring at you. I was like, wow, he's so changed. Yeah, it happens to me.
Yeah, like what they say. Keep doing things.
Yeah, you get used to it.
Yeah, you get used to it.
So guys, this is what you get here. Nobody record. So guys, this is what we get here.
Yeah, you see, that's the tourist bus right there. Gambian tourists.
So guys, I started the video from there. Yeah, and then walking towards there. Maybe I'm gonna stop the video there. Yeah. So guys, please like the video, subscribe, share with friends and family. That's all what we need from you. Yeah. And that's Augustus over there.
Go and show him some love, guys.
Yeah.
Prince Seka.
Yeah.
So guys, see, I call him so that we can have a collab, and he appeared, guys. You see, life is all about life is like this, guys.
What did you say? Just come again so that my audience can get you.
I said, guys, I call him and he reached out to me, guys. So he leave his thing and come here so that we can have the collab, guys. So I'm saying love to my brother Prince Seka, one love. So guys, keep supporting him and subscribe to his channel, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, guys. Yo, one love. So guys, I'm going to end my video here. Peace out.
So guys, that's Augustus. Yeah, he's a YouTuber too in the Gambia, and if it is your first time seeing him in this channel or seeing him, just kindly do me a big favor by subscribing to his channel. His channel's name is Augustus Vlog. I'm gonna put his link in the description so that you can go and show him some love. Tell him that Prince Seka sent me here. Okay. So this is what we get here on this OIC road project.
No.
It's different.
It's Prince Seka YouTube channel.
Just share your channel with them. Are they trying to construct another roundabout here?
No, it's there.
Okay, diversion.
Yeah. No, the roundabout is going to be there at the junction there. You know, this is the Palma River Junction. So the roundabout is going to be there.
Okay.
Because this road is not that busy, that's why they don't put flyover here. They're just putting the roundabout.
Roundabout. So guys, that's one of their machine over there. These people think that
this is the machine that is responsible for the concrete.
Yeah, I have a friend that works here.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, on this machine. His job is just working here. He's my only friend in this construction. Yeah. Because he once stopped me while I was filming at the I think it's the Coastal Road flyover bridge.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and later we became friends. We became friends. So guys, this is what you get here. Yeah.
That's the Maron supermarket, guys. Maron supermarket.
You are good. So guys, this is what you get here. Hey guys, yeah, this is where it have stopped yet. Yeah, so guys, I'm gonna end the video here. That's their machine they're using to do the work. So they put the black liquid here. One of my subscribers said, let me not say black liquid. He said, I think he said I call it, I think or tamai, or I don't even know. I even forgot. But let me call it black liquid so that you can understand. So guys, as you can see, this is the black liquid they put here, and that's their machines. Yeah, that is their machines they're using to do this work. And that's Augustus. He's a YouTuber too. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna end the video here as always. If it is your first time here, just kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share
and subscribe, guys.
Yeah, like and share with friends and family.
To your family.
Yeah, that's
even neighbors, friends, and your enemies, guys.
So guys, I'm out. Peace. See you next time. Love you all. Bye.